Hi students. Students, today we are going to see block number 6. Yes students, in our surrounding there are many plants. Yes, some are big, some are small, some are growing on the ground, some are grasses, some are beginning in the big trees. Yes, so these are all called the plants. Yes, so students, today we are going to see about climbers and creepers. Yes, climbers and creepers. I will show you some plants first. Okay. So students, you can see this. Yes, you can see here some trees are there. There is a types of plants like wildflower, thistle, flower, mushroom, wheat, fir, reeds, bamboos, leaves, moss, grass, plum tree, corner trees, bushes, shrubs, catalysts and herbs. Yes friends, these are all called the trees. Okay. So in that only today we are going to see climbers and creepers. Okay. Yes friends, so see here in that creepers and climbers, some parts some plants are there like pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd. Yes, you can see this. Yes, they are growing on the ground, so these are called creepers. What are they are called the creepers. And the plant like climbers, what is morning glory, beetle gourd, grapes, beetles, cucumbers, snack ground, ridged, rigid ground and beans and jasmines. Okay, so these are the plants called climbers. Okay, so this what these have, they are growing on the ground. Creepers, yes, it is going on the ground and it is alone growing with their stems. Yes, so these are called creepers. And these like grapes and all, they have a they have the support. What they have a support with the help of stick or walls it can grow. So these are called climbers. Okay, so you understand which are there in that creepers, pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd. These are there in climbers, morning glory, beetle, grapes, beetles, cucumbers, snake grounds. So these are the plants that they are having the support. Okay, now understand. So students, look properly and understand it clearly that which plant means what climbers. Yes, climbers. This plant want the support of a stick. With the help of stick, it can grow. Like it has a stem, but it is not so strong. So it wanted the support for that. Okay. So these are called the climbers. With help of that support, it can stand. Like grape points. Yes, grape points are there. Uh, they are having the support of a stick. With the help of that stick, it is going upper and the grapes are there. So it is called climbers. And creepers, they are going along with in the ground. And like example, what is there? Watermelons. Because it is heavy, so it cannot stand properly. So these are called the creepers. Means it is going underground. Like bottle gourd, watermelon, pumpkin. Uh, these are the fruits it has. So it is heavy, so it cannot stand properly on the it cannot stand properly, so it is growing on the ground. It is strong, it is not strong, it doesn't have the strong stem, so it is growing on the ground only. Okay, so students, what do you understand? in that climbers and creepers. Climbers climb with the help of the support. They have the support of a stick. Yes, and these are growing along on the ground. Okay, but both have the weak stem. Means both it doesn't have the stem strong. So they have the weak stem. Okay, thank you, friends.